Hi, it's Erin from Birds Renovations here. Now, something we often see people do is leaving the really important decision of ceiling and wall linings up to their builder. And I'm here to explain to you why you need to take it into your own hands. Now on this ceiling, Bon has chosen Hardie Groove by James Hardie. It provides a beautiful texture to what could have been quite a boring space. Now this product is made from fibre cement, so it's a great option for the exterior, as well as for the wet spaces like the kitchen, laundry and bathroom. Believe me, the last thing you want is to install something that will swell, warp or rot with water. So this product is perfect for that. It's really durable and has low VOC. A similar James Hardie product to the Hardie Groove is Axon, which we've used inside, so come on in and I'll show you. Now in the bathroom for the pool house is where we have used the James Hardie Axon. So as you can see looking it up close, we still have the grooves here, but these grooves are 133mm apart, whereas the Hardie Groove outside is 100mm apart. So it's just a different look. We've used the Axon here in the bathroom as a beautiful decorative feature, but we have stopped using it here as soon as we get into the shower recess. This is where we need waterproofing and the tiles. Now let me show you what we've used in the ensuite. No cladding on display here. What we're actually doing is having a feature wall here full of tiles. The really important thing to consider is what goes behind the tiles. And in this space, we've got the James Hardie Villaboard. This product is the standard for wall linings in bathrooms. Now we have used it for many years and the builder on this project, Daz, it is all he uses. So come have a look at the product over here. We can actually see this sharp edge cut here. You can see how thick it is. It's genuinely a fibre cement product, so it is resistant to damage from moisture. This means it won't rot, and it is inherently moisture resistant due to the way it is made. Unlike plasterboard, it doesn't rely on a coating. Now, if the worst was to happen in your wet space and your waterproofing failed, rest assured with this Villaboard product installed, you're in safe hands. It will not deform and it certainly will not lose structural integrity. So you wouldn't have to rip out this whole wall, which you would have potentially had to have done if you didn't use this product. This Villaboard has a really high hanging power. Villaboard is also flexible enough to use in curved spaces, like we have done in the boys' bathroom here. James Hardie have a fabulous range of wall linings which will set you up for a worry-free renovation or new build. So here we are in the finished space, this absolutely spectacular ensuite. Now just remember how important it is to select the right wall lining to go in your wet space. When you're going to line these walls behind tiles in particular, you want to be absolutely sure you've got the right product there so you do not have any waterproofing issues. So head to the James Hardie website to find out all about the extensive range of wall linings they have.